Hello guys, and welcome in today's video. From what I see, the worker sanded most of the walls. I don't know if all, but right here on the lobby he repaired this entrance. For now I will not put anything else, I will just leave it as it is. Who knows, maybe in the future I will add let's say a wood edge, but for what it will be, simply white, I think it will look okay. So this area has been repaired with the corners and everything, and plastered all over. Also on the bathroom door, now the workers that will bring the doors will be able to take the correct measurements. Inside the bathroom, no other works have been done, but it still has to settle and to dry out. Maybe he just added a bit more of material on that area, I think. But otherwise, I'm really pleased of how it will look, especially when this stone mosaic will be added. Here in the kitchen, I don't know if he sanded the walls right here. It looks like it hasn't been touched today. The other entrances have been plastered in a raw way, but good enough. Again, for the workers who will install the doors to take the measurements from one end to another, the correct one, and you can see how there will be a difference. Even the walls are not straight. I mean, this is going like this, and here is like this straight. But at least he placed this material all over, and the doors will be locked in very nice. On the upper side, it wasn't needed. It would have been nice to not see it like that, but it will be covered anyway. And on that entrance also, between the rooms, see it like this. The walls have been sanded here, and in my bedroom also. It's this room, I cannot adapt with so much space without this furniture being right here. I mean, it looks really spacious. It is nice, but I cannot keep them like this, or otherwise I wouldn't be able to keep my clothes. And yeah, pretty much he placed more material on the sides, You can imagine again we have different angles. Hopefully it will not be a problem for the workers with the doors, because I noticed everyone blames the other workers. Every worker blames the other ones. The masons blame the electricians. The electricians blame the masons, and the plumbers blame I don't know, the last plumbers, you know, or it's never their fault. And in this case, the woodworkers, these guys that will install the doors, will surely have something to comment regarding how it was done. But it will be okay in the end. I mean, when I installed the wood door from the entrance, I didn't had time to hire somebody to repair it like this. You can imagine. I was a bit disappointed, but since it was the entrance door and we were living inside the apartment, we couldn't stay with it like that, let's say, for a day. Plus it was really cold outside, and also the guys that installed the door didn't had couldn't be bothered to, let's say, place some material. You can imagine how much it would have taken them to make something like this, and then to install the door. But yeah, this is how people are, and we gotta accept it. But otherwise, yeah, things are not advancing so in such a rush right now. But let's say, hopefully the end result will be worth this entire hassle, because it's such a pain to not be able to sleep in your house, in your home, and have everything messed up. I'm really anxious, and I'm really worried about how much it will pass until the wooden floor will be all polished, so sanded entirely, repaired to not have this sound anymore when you step on it, and bathe in clear coat. And you can imagine you have to stay, from what my dear friend Hirayama told me, like, I don't know, 7 days. You have to wait 1 week, or maybe even 2 weeks to just leave it as it is, to have all those smells, all those solvents released from here. And with the furniture inside, I mean, I don't even want to think about it. Yeah, I think I should cover up these holes. But aside dust, there's nothing that would enter there. But yeah, it's not okay. Well, guys, this is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best, and hopefully works will advance in a faster pace in the future. Take care wherever you are. Discovered one more thing that he did. He replaced the gas pump or the gas regulator for my combi boiler, as I asked him to do, because before I had a really old one from 2006. It couldn't be compared with this one from Technogas. This was the old one, a lot smaller, and yeah, I really wanted to have something really high quality from Italy. So this was installed. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.